The day Noah stopped waiting. Noah used to believe that one day his life would suddenly change. Not today, not tomorrow, but someday. He believed that someday he would feel confident. Someday he would know what he wanted. Someday he would become better. Until then, he waited. Every morning, Noah woke up early, but not because he had a purpose. He woke up because the alarm told him to. He ate the same breakfast, took the same road, and sat in the same place every day. His life was not bad, but it was not growing. Inside his chest, there was a quiet feeling, not pain, not sadness, just a soft disappointment. The feeling of knowing he was capable of more, but not reaching it. One evening, after a long day, Noah sat alone on a bench in a small park near his home. The sky was turning orange and purple. People walked past him, each carrying their own stories. An old man sat down beside him. "You look tired," the man said gently. "I'm not tired," Noah replied. "I'm just stuck." The old man smiled. "Most people are not stuck," he said. "They are just waiting." Noah looked at him. Waiting for what? Waiting to feel ready. Waiting to feel confident. Waiting for motivation. The man said, "But growth doesn't begin with feeling ready. It begins with action." Noah stayed silent. The old man picked up a small stone from the ground and held it in his hand. "This stone didn't become smooth by waiting," he said. "It became smooth by being pushed, hit, and shaped over time." That night, Noah couldn't sleep. The words stayed in his mind. What if I stop waiting? The next morning, something small changed. Noah woke up and made his bed, slowly, carefully. He usually skipped this. It felt meaningless before, but today it felt like a decision. At work, he spoke up once, just once, even though his voice shook. No one laughed. No one judged him. After work, instead of scrolling on his phone, Noah opened a notebook and wrote one sentence. "I want to become someone I respect." That sentence became his mirror. Days passed, then weeks. Noah didn't transform overnight. He still felt afraid. He still failed. Some mornings he wanted to quit and return to waiting. But each day he did one small thing. He read 10 pages. He exercised for 15 minutes. He learned one new skill. He spoke one honest sentence. No applause came. No one noticed. But something inside him was changing. He began to walk differently. He began to listen more carefully. He began to trust himself. Not because he felt confident, but because he kept promises to himself. One rainy evening, Noah passed the same park again. The same bench. The old man was not there. But Noah smiled. He understood now. Human growth is not loud. It does not arrive with fireworks. It happens quietly, when no one is watching. It happens when you choose effort over comfort, action over waiting, progress over perfection. Noah realized something important. He was no longer waiting for his life to begin. He was building it, one small choice at a time. And that was more powerful than any moment he had been waiting for.